In this video, we'll dive into how to get started with SuiteDash's email marketing features, a powerful tool for automating your business communications. Stick around till the end because not only will we show you how to maximize SuiteDash, but we'll also reveal some awesome alternatives that could be a better fit for your needs. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your SuiteDash account. Once you're in, navigate to the email marketing section. SuiteDash gives you the ability to create and manage campaigns, build automated email sequences, and track results all in one place. But it's not just about sending emails. It's about making those emails work for your business. Next thing, let's take a look at creating your first email campaign. Click on the Create Campaign button. Here, you can choose from various email templates or you can start from scratch. SuiteDash offers a drag-and-drop editor that's intuitive, so you can quickly put together a professional-looking email. The editor lets you add images, text, buttons, and even social media links to make your email more engaging. Now, the third thing you'll want to do is segment your audience. SuiteDash allows you to create specific groups based on client data, so you can send more targeted emails. This means you can ensure your messages reach the right people at the right time, increasing your open rates and conversions. You can easily filter by tags or specific contact properties like location or interests. The fourth thing to keep in mind is automation. SuiteDash's email marketing features shine when it comes to automating your email workflows. You can set up email sequences to automatically send follow-ups, reminders, or special offers. This saves you tons of time and ensures you're staying top of mind with your audience without lifting a finger. Next, let's talk about tracking and analyzing your email performance. Once you've sent your campaigns, SuiteDash makes it easy to see how well they're performing. You'll get insights like open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates. These reports are crucial for optimizing future campaigns and making data-driven decisions. Now, while SuiteDash's email marketing features are powerful, it's important to mention that the platform may not be the best fit for everyone. For example, its email deliverability rates can be hit or miss, and its email templates are limited compared to some competitors. So, if you're looking for more customization or better email performance out of the box, it's worth exploring other options. So, here's where it gets interesting. We've found some great alternatives to SuiteDash's email marketing features that might just offer more flexibility and better results. These platforms also come with free trials, and through our link, you'll get exclusive access to special offers. Remember, the link in the description not only gives you the best SuiteDash trial, but also opens the door to some incredible alternatives, including tools that specialize in email marketing and CRM integration, helping you achieve even better results. Now that you know the basics of getting started with SuiteDash's email marketing, plus some powerful alternatives, it's time to make an informed decision on which platform is best for your business. Check out the links below for all the details.